Hey guys, it's Matt. Welcome to SpeedTutor, and this is for all of you who like mobile 2D. Now, this is a brand new bundle that's come out on Humble Bundle, which is the 2D Game Creation Mega Bundle, which is 49 different 2D bundles across assets from GameDev Marketplace. These range from characters, creatures, UI elements, environments, music, sound effects, and loads of stuff from different genres. And a lot of these characters and things are actually animated, include a lot of different animations, so this is worth over $1,000, and we'll go through all the content in this bundle today so you can decide whether you want to pick it up or not. And do be sure to check out all my links to the Black Friday sale at this current moment, and my Adventure Puzzle Kit is on offer depending on if you see it now or a little bit later. It'll either be 60 or 50% off, so pick that up. And also you can check out my Patreon to get over 205 different scripts, assets and projects you cannot find anywhere else at all. So when you're on the Humble page, you can see that it consists of 3 different bundles: a 10 bundle for about $1, the 20 and 9 bundle for about $20, and then the 49 item bundle for just over probably $25 or around that price. And remember, if you are from the UK, you can use top cashback to get an additional 3.4% cashback on all of these items. And remember, you can click on any of these bundles here. Then if you click on the developer or the publisher, now if I click the publisher and go to the asset store where this is on the GameDev Marketplace, you can see that it's a $29.50, which is, this by itself is more than the entire bundle together. It includes a selection of top-down RPG characters with various different ones with loads of animations for idle, walking, running, jumping, and hurting. Like I say, a lot of these actual bundles have animations too. So okay, we'll start off and I'll go through each of them. So this is the Character Bundle 2023 with 83 different animated characters. The next one is the 2D animated zombies, which is 40 animated 2D zombies in various styles, whether pirate, knight, Viking, or whatever. The 2D Heroes bundle, another pack of 10 characters with 8 different animations in each. And we've got to the 35 top-down vector cars in various color elements with various formats too. Then we've got the Tank Wars game kit, which comes with 5 animated tanks, 20 named weapons, grenades, bouncing balls. Then we've got the 2D racing package, which comes with a selection of cars in different themes, GUIs, HUDs, game logos, buttons, power-ups, pre-made models, and loads of stuff. We've got the animated Crusher game assets. We've got 5 different spacecrafts, 3 of which you could control and 2 for enemies. 15 asteroids, animated explosions, weapons, parallax backgrounds, and GUI buttons, menus, and more. We've got the Space Game GUI set, high-resolution menus, shops, pause menu, scores, missions, game summaries, and many variants. We've got the Sci-Fi Character Creator, which has 1,000 different parts for male and female models, pistols, SMG, and blaster weapons, completely customizable with eyebrows, various animations, and loads of different character customization UIs. And there's a free high-quality survival pack on the Unity Asset Store for this week with 190 awesome assets. And I'll put the link down below. Then we've got the QRPG Game Builder with 2 scrolling customizable backgrounds with multiple layers, 12 animated characters, spell effects, full interfaces. Got the Quest Game sound effects with over 1,300 different quality AAA sound effects. Got the Ambient Game, which has over 600 handcrafted sounds for ambience, whether that's Spyro style games, platformers, Crash Bandicoot. And then the 3D platformer tiling textures bundle, which is ice, lava, rocks, and 4 different sides for each with tiling backgrounds, images, and more. We've got the game assets for a Pong-like game, which is suitable for iOS or other devices. We've got the Merge Defense GUI pack with 33 characters included. We've got 3 minigame assets GUI kit with 2 multiplayer game asset GUIs, fully customizable vector art. We've got one which is similar, which is the Solitaire game UI assets with similar selections. We've got another one with the Animals Bubble Shooter GUI pack. We've got the Physics Game Block Set 3, which is pre-made Q-style faces with 5 textures, 5 different shapes, 3 conditions, loads of vector art. Then we've got the Space Shooter Creation Kit, so you can build your own spaceship, and side-scroller with drag-and-drop vectors, PNGs, with everything that's easy to customize. Jumping and cop-to-game character sprites, with zombies, werewolves, skeletons, all animated, with various resolutions. Then the Space Shooter Creation Kit 2 with a whole bunch of different ships, drones, fighters, and stuff for more of a sci-fi style. Then we've got the Custom Soldiers Game Sprites, which is 15 ready soldiers ready to put in your game with 21 different animations. Then we've got the Alien Spaceship Craft Kit with loads of crafting for 38 different components, with various animations for explosions and special effects. We've got the Chef's Experiment Game Kit, which has got all the GUIs for a full game with level complete, different PNGs, and everything you'll need. We've got the Zombie Sound Pack Pro version, 8 different zombie voice sets, different voices for women, male, and children, headshot sounds, gory sounds, impact, complete zombie footsteps, and many more. Got the Voice Sound Pack Military Radio, and this is 700 voiceovers for different mission announcers, soldiers, giving orders, maybe something for an RTS style game. Now we've got the 8-bit retro game sound effects pack with over 1,000 sound effects, being able to, whether that's for pickups, footsteps, game overs, game starting, damage taken, and more. We've got the Monster Sound FX Pack 1 with 11 monster attacks, 28 monster roars. We've got the RPG Music Pack, which has 331 different safe for YouTube actual tracks, whether that's combat, dark, fantasy, and other categories. We've got the Sci-Fi Games Sound Effects Bundle with over 3,000 sound effects for monsters, lasers, futuristic weapons, interfaces, and many more. We've got the Ultimate Music Library, 260 audios, categorized in sci-fi, chill, horror, piano solo. We've got the Sweet Pink Game Interface Asset, which is similar to all the others with loads of interface, level complete, and things like that. We've got the Transparent Clear GUI, which is very similar to the previous, with shop interfaces and various things included. We've got the Stone Cartoon GUI pack, which is another one in a very similar style, with all of the things edited before. We've got the Fairy Tale Wooden GUI pack, which is again in a particular style with all of the things included, and then the Medieval Wooden GUI pack with everything that you'd need for in a wooden style. Then we've got a pack of 700 vector icons, which is a full set of UIs for a full game in various formats. Then we've got the Jellies Match 3 game assets, again with lots of buttons, objects, assets, and stuff for getting it going. Then the 15 jump backgrounds with 15 themes, layered backgrounds, full vector art. Then we've got the 10 backgrounds, which is another set. Then we've got the 5 game UI kits for various mobile game examples, 10 game backgrounds 2, 10 game backgrounds 8, the 10 vector backgrounds, which is another additional, and then the 5 UI kits 2. Final one is the 70 high quality progress bars, which could be suitable for any game at all. So this is a massive selection of animated characters, entire game UI kits, various things for loads of different styles. So if you're interested in this, be sure to pick it up. I especially like icon packs and little character packs because it's nice to just have them to be able to use in UIs, and especially for people who are far better user experience or user interface design than I am. So I hope you like this one. You check out all the links to the Black Friday sale and get my adventure puzzle kit, which is currently either 60 or 50% off depending on when you watch this. And do be sure to check out my Patreon too to get over 205 different scripts, assets, and projects you cannot find anywhere else. And a big thank you to all my patrons. Massive thank you to Peter Steiner and everybody else who comes to watch the video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Cheers.